Hey, it's Warren here again with Copeland Small Engine Repair. I'm going to show you a tool I made to diagnose problems with the electric PTO, or some people call it the electric clutch, on a zero turn or a riding lawnmower. Sometimes you have a problem with one of those things. It may be chattering, or you think it's making a noise. You're just not sure what's going on. But you would like to control the clutch without using the wire harness on the mower. So you can eliminate any other wiring problems, bad relays, all that stuff. You can actually just run power straight from a battery, which I have on the ground down here, straight to the power leads on the clutch while the mower's running, and turn the blades on and off kind of remotely. And you can test the electric clutch. You can use a meter and check the leads, check the resistance with ohms through the leads. And you can just hook power straight to it with a battery. But if you want to turn it on and off while the mower's running, so you can turn the blades on and off, I recommend making one of these little wire harnesses. And it's just a little simple. I got a positive and negative clamps going to the wires. The wires go straight to the plugs on the electric clutch, and the power wire I've got going to the clutch just goes to a switch. And you don't have to use an actual PTO switch like I've got here. It just happened to be the switch I had laying around in the shop. You could have a toggle on off switch. You could have a temporary spring-loaded push button switch, or a click on and off rocker switch. It don't matter, just an on off switch of any kind. This is just what I had laying around. But you just need a 12-volt battery separate from the battery on the mower, some clips, a switch, and down under here, every PTO that comes in here has got this same plug on it. Y'all have seen them all. They look exactly like this on every zero turn and riding mower that comes in here. So I've got, on the end of these leads, I've got just standard flat crimp-on terminals, and I've got one unplugged so you can see it. But that way I can just push them straight into this plug and get a good contact. But I'm gonna hook this ground up. And when you hook these up to these wire harnesses going straight into these clutches, it don't matter which side is hot and which side is ground, because it's just a coil inside here. So you don't have to worry about polarity. You just plug them into any one. But this lets me crank the zero turn or the riding mower and turn this clutch on and off with this switch out here and see what's going on with it without worrying about all the wiring and everything on the mower. So if I catch it messing up, I know it has nothing to do with anything on the machine. It's got to be the clutch. But anyway, this mower, the reason I'm doing it on this mower, while it's running, when you turn the blades on, they kind of chatter. It's got all new bearings and all the spindles. The deck is smooth as silk. All the pulleys, all the idlers are very, very smooth. But while it's running, it just seems to chatter. So I'm going to see if it's this clutch chattering. You know, if it's the power going to this clutch is cutting in and out, or if it's the clutch itself, or you know, maybe the belt may be slipping or something. But anyway, that's how I make a little wire harness to hook up to the clutch on a riding mower. It's just a battery. Got some leads. I cut these off an old battery charger, and they basically go straight to the clutch, except for the hot wire goes through the switch so I can turn it on and off. So anyway, thanks for watching.